So in this video we will discuss some of the questions of exercise 1A. Just see question number 11. Select the basic and acidic radicals in the following compounds. First compound we have taken magnesium sulfate. Here one molecule of magnesium sulfate is made up of two parts. One is magnesium and the other is sulfate. And therefore we can say that magnesium is one radical and sulfate is the other radical. Now whenever we write the formula of a compound, then we know this, that the basic radical is written first and the acidic radical is written afterwards. And I have also told you to learn one table of basic radical and acid radicals. So according to that table we will be able to remember the valencies of every ion. So here the molecule of magnesium sulfate is made up of magnesium radical and sulfate radical. The basic radical is magnesium ion, its charge is Mg, its charge is +2. Whereas the acidic radical is here sulfate ion, its charge is -2. So how this charge came? This you have to learn from the table. Because on the basis of the formula of these radicals, you will be able to form the compound also and you will be able to identify the radicals also. Then in the compound aluminium sulfate, there are two radicals, one is aluminium and the other is sulfate. So here the basic radical is aluminium ion, Al, and the charge is +3. And the acidic radical is sulfate ion and the charge is SO4. The formula of the radical is SO4 2 negative. Now the next question is question number 13. In question number 13 it is asked that it is given first of all that the valency of element A is 3 and the valency of element B is 2. We have to find the formula of the compound which will be formed by the combination of element A and element B. So in the question what is given? The valency of element A is 3 and the valency of element B is 2. We have to form the formula of the compound. So first of all what we will do? We will write the symbol of the elements which will combine to form the compound. So the symbol is A and the symbol is B. Now below these symbols we will write their valency. The valency of element A is given 3 and the valency of element B is given 2. After writing their valency, we will cross over the valencies. Means with the first atom, the valency of second atom will come as a subscript, and with the second atom the valency of first atom will come as a subscript, and finally the formula formed will be A2B3. So now in question number 15 we have to write the basic and acidic radicals of the following and then we have to write the chemical formulae. Let's take one part, barium sulfate. First part is barium sulfate. This compound's name is given. We have to write the basic radical and the acidic radical first of all. So here the basic radical is barium. Its symbol is Ba and the charge is +2. And the acidic radical is sulfate. Its symbol is SO4 and the charge is 2 negative. So first of all it was asked write the basic radical and acidic radical. This we have written. Now we have to write the chemical formula of this compound. So first of all, what we will do? In order to write the formula, we will write first of all the basic radical, and then we will write the acidic radical. Now we will write this is the basic and acidic radical which we have written. The symbols we have written with the charge. Now we will write the symbols and we will ignore the plus and the minus sign here. Now we will the valency is 2, and here also the valency of sulfate is 2, and therefore the highest common factor is 2 here. So we will divide by HCF. That is 2. So we will get Va and SO4. And on cross multiplying also, whenever we will cross over the valencies, then also we will get the compound as BaSO4. So this is the formula of the compound which is formed, barium sulfate. So in this way only, different parts of question number 15 are given. They will be done in the same way only. First of all, we will write the basic radical, then we will write the acidic radical, and then we will write the formula. So while writing the formula, first of all we will write the symbols with the charge, and then we will ignore the plus and minus sign. It will become Ba and the valency will become 2, and sulfate, its valency will become 2. Now we will divide by the highest common factor here, that is 2 only. So here also it will come 1, and here in the valency of sulfate ion will also come 1. Now whenever we will cross multiply the valencies, whenever we will cross over the valencies, then also it will come here Ba1 and SO4 1. And we don't write the 1 usually, and therefore the compound formed will be barium sulfate. In this way, different other parts of question number 15 can also be done. Now in question number 20, it is given that the formula of the sulfate of an element M is M2SO4 whole thrice. Write the formula of its chloride, oxide, phosphate and acetate. In the question, it is given that the formula of the sulfate of an element M means when this element M combines with the sulfate ion, then the formula of the compound which is formed is M2SO4 whole thrice. Now we have to find out the formula of the chloride of the element M, oxide of the element M, phosphate of the element M and the acetate of the element M. For finding these formulas, first of all we will find out the valency of the element M using this formula. Now just see, in order to find out the valency of the element M from the compound M2SO4 whole thrice, we will see here that we know that we have learned this from the table of acid radical that one sulfate ion, its charge is -2. Sulfate ion का जो charge होता है वो कितना होता है -2. Now the charge of one sulfate ion is -2, but here total 3 atoms are present. So if the charge of one sulfate radical is -2, then the charge of 3 sulfate radicals will be -6. Now we know that in a compound the sum of positive and negative charge is 0. In a compound the sum of total positive and negative charge is 0. If the negative charge is -6, then there must be the +6 positive charge, so that +6 and -6 will be equal to 0 here. Now for 2 atoms of the element M, the charge is +6, therefore the the charge on one atom of M will be plus 3. And in this way we can say that valency of M is plus 3. Because for two atoms the charge is plus 6 and therefore the charge on one atom of M is plus 3. Therefore the valency of the element M we have found plus 3. Now we have came to know that the valency of element M is plus 3 and we also know that the charge on the chloride radical is minus 1. Now we will write, in order to find out the formula of the compound which is formed by the combination of the element M and chloride radical, will be as, first of all we will write out the symbol of the element M, and we know that the symbol of chlorine element is Cl. Now here the radical is chloride. We have to find out the formula of the chloride of element M. Now the charge on the element M is 3, means the charge is plus 3 here, and the charge of chloride radical is minus 1. Now what we will do? We will write down the charge ignoring the plus and minus sign. We will write out the charge by ignoring the plus and minus sign, and then we will cross over the valencies, and therefore the superscript of Cl will become the subscript of the element M, and the superscript of the element M will become the subscript of the chlorine element, and therefore the compound formed will be MCl3. So finally the formula of the chloride of element M is MCl3. In the same way we will calculate the formula of the oxide of element M. The valency of element M is plus 3, we have found here, and the formula of oxide radical is O and the charge is minus 2. In the next column we will write down the symbols and the valencies also we will write down, but we will ignore the plus and minus sign here, and therefore it will be M3 and O2. Now we will cross over the valencies. The valency of oxygen will become the subscript of element M, and here O3 will come. So finally the formula of the oxide of element M is M2O3. In the same way, the formula of the phosphate of element M, when we will calculate in the same way, will come MPO4, and the formula of the acetate will come MCH3COO whole thrice. So these are the formulas of the elements